Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to disable clear glass icon on iPhone iOS 26. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to remove the clear glass on your iPhone iOS 26, all you need to do is press and hold the iPhone home screen, locate and click on Edit at the top left. Now, click on Customize from the pop. Then you should have this pop. You have tinted, you have dark, you have default. Then if you are on anywhere on any of these glasses menu, just go ahead and select clear. So once you selected clear, this is going to clear the glass in it. Then you can go back to your light, default, and then you should see the glass removed. And then you are good. So that's exactly how to disable clear glass icon on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.